I'm Christie, and welcome back to All About Food. Today I'm going to teach you how to make sopas.
For easy chicken stock, we need 1 piece chicken breast part, 1 liter water, 2 pieces Knorr cubes, salt and pepper, and a casserole. Boil water, add salt, pepper, and chicken cubes. Add the chicken breast and cook it for 30 minutes. How to cook macaroni for chicken sopas? We need 400 grams of elbow macaroni. Boil your elbow macaroni for 7 minutes. After boiling, rinse it with tap or cold water to stop the cooking process and set it aside. Slice the chicken breast and set it aside. For chicken sopas, we need 1 medium onion, 4 cloves garlic, half a cup of celery stalk, 1 piece large carrot, half a piece medium cabbage, 6 pieces hotdogs, 1/4 cup cheese. Cook chicken breast and cook elbow macaroni. Please see the description below. Half a cup to 1 cup of evaporated milk, 800 ml of water, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, salt, pepper, and 1 pack of cream of mushroom. Preheat the pan. Pour the cooking oil. Saute onion, garlic, and celery stalk. Add the chicken breast. Add the hot dogs. Dissolve the cream of mushroom with 800 ml of water. Add the sauteed chicken to chicken stock. Add the pre-mixed cream of mushroom, Add a carrot and simmer for 5 minutes. Add the cabbage and simmer for 1 minute. Add the cheese. Add salt and pepper and simmer for 5 minutes. Add evaporated milk and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the hot soup to your macaroni and serve immediately. Our finished product, Sopas, easy, yummy, and al dente elbow macaroni.
Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.